What's up, FlowQers? Today I'm going to be walking you through setting up your FlowQ account and the basic features you need to know in order to get started with the software. For those of you that are new here, FlowQ is a cloud-based print queuing software that allows you to connect all your 3D printers to one dashboard and access them from anywhere at any time. With this, you can not only start, stop, and monitor your printers, but also manage your print files, add prints to the queue where they can be rearranged based on priority and sent to the next available printer, add automation loops, track filament usage data, and much more. All of these features will be covered in more detail in future videos, but for now, I'll show you how to set up your account. First, let's head to the FlowQ website. Go to flowq.infinityflow3d.com or click the link in the video description. Now, if you don't already have an account, let's go ahead and create one. Enter your email, name, and create a password, then click Create an Account. Make sure you verify your email. This is essential to make sure you get account notifications and are able to change your account status later on if you wish to do so. Once your email is verified, we'll land on the home page where we find the main dashboard. Typically, this is where an overview of all our connected devices can be seen, but since we just created our account, for now we just see an empty dashboard. In order to start connecting printers, we'll click on the Queue tab on the left-hand side of our screen. Now you'll see there are two sign-up options. In order to connect your printers to FlowQ, you must have a device that can act as a tunnel to send the information from your printers to your FlowQ account. For any of you that already have a hub or an S1 Plus, which can both act as tunnels, you're able to sign up for the first month for just $1. Go back to the home page and add your device to your account, and this option will be enabled. For anyone that does not have a tunnel, upon sign up, your free hub or hubs if you select more than 5 printers will be shipped to you. Go ahead and choose whichever option works best for you and complete the checkout process. Now that sign up is complete, you can begin adding printers to your account. For more information on how to set up your printers and tunnels in FlowQ, check out the linked video. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.